Our paper introduces HiMag, or Hierarchical Incremental Mode Analysis for Graphs, a new algorithm for finding highly connected subgraphs at multiple resolutions. Unlike traditional partitional clustering, HiMag prunes out unwanted background points that aren't well connected with any cluster. HiMag also allows for the discovery of clusters at multiple resolutions, producing a hierarchy containing both broad, loosely connected clusters and smaller, very well connected clusters. We look at several relevant datasets with these characteristics. For example, social graphs. HiMag works by varying a similarity threshold while using flow as a notion of density to eliminate non-dense nodes and cluster the remaining ones. Hierarchical mode analysis, or HMA, and similar methods are able to identify clusters at multiple resolutions like we are trying to do. Such algorithms, however, only work on datasets with a metric embedding. HiMag, for the first time, offers these capabilities for arbitrary similarity graphs. We have also created a convenient tool to help use HiMag that provides visualization of the cluster hierarchy, for which the source code is available on GitHub. If you're interested in learning more, check out the paper.